Okay, so we were on this row, and just below to this row we have another row here that shows the heading and some events. So I'll show you how you can update the event details. Scroll down and here comes the logo. So if you want to update any of the logo, click on it, replace the image here, replace the URL of that image, and once you're done from the web page editing, click on update, and all the editing will be saved and will be published as well. So I believe now you can easily update the homepage sections and the other areas as well. So let me show you how you can create new events or update the existing ones. All you need to do is simply go to MD calendar. So we are going to the all events section. In all events section we have around 5 events, and you can always select these events like this and click on move to fresh and click on apply, and these events will be removed from here. So we're gonna add a new event here. So simply click on add event. Okay, demo event XYZ. Event details come here. Event date and time. Okay, you can select the date of your event, time as well, and date of your event, including the time of it. Okay, and if the event is all the event, you can select this check mark. Okay, if you've got a schedule of your event, just simply write it down. Okay, if you have got a location of it, just simply click on insert a new location. Okay, location information. You can keep the event links here as well. Okay, if you want to add an organizer, you can always write it down. Okay, so event cost, if it's cost something, and here comes the featured image of your event. Okay, and you can always select this color as well, and once you will click on publish, the event will be published on live website. So it already started appearing in this section and in this page as well. So I think you can manage this section as well. So now we're going to the about us page. Okay, I'm going to click on edit page form here. Okay, we have a page title called about us, and just below to this area we have a section called the same section that appears on front page of our website. So you can just simply click on edit text and select this text and click on text block, and so you can replace the information over here. Once you're done from here, click on save changes and hit publish or update to make it live. Another row here that shows the image on left and the text on right, so I think you can handle that as well. So we're good with the about us page. Events page. The events page will automatically will be working as dynamic version of the events that you upload into your website, so it will be working or updating automatically. So I think we do not need to cover it, as we have already covered how you can update new events on your website. Okay, now we have the league standings page. Okay, it shows nothing, but I'm going to show you how you can update some information on it. So we have a page called league standings here. Okay, we have a row here, and this row shows only one heading here. Okay, so if you want to add more rows here, click on add element, click on row, and drag it to top, bottom, or wherever you want. Click on edit row settings. Okay, give some paddings here like 55 and 55 pixels of it. Okay, give a class name called spaces, and click on the type of this row will be in grid, and click on save changes. Okay, now in this row you can split this row into columns, like 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, 5 and 6 as well, up to you. So we're gonna keep the one row here, and I'm gonna put few elements here like text block. Okay. Perfect. And so make it to the heading and select all this text and give a color of white. Oh no, we're gonna keep the black over here. Click on save changes. Okay, and I'm gonna add a new row inside this row, and we're gonna split into 2 columns, and in this row I'm gonna add an image. Click on images, and we can have an image here. This one. Okay, keep the image size like full. Alignment should be center. Now preview the web page. You can see we have 2 columns here. The heading that we have just written over there. Okay, the image on the right and the text on the left. And if you want to add another row here, you can also duplicate the existing row. Just simply click on duplicate, and here you can see we have a new duplicated row here. Okay, and if you want to add some other elements, you can also update that, like video and text, contact form, and separator, image, gallery, and the other elements as well. So now I believe we can handle this page as well. Now come to the FAQ. The same steps, click on edit page and edit the information, contact, no big deal. Now here comes the main part of your website, the sign up or registration area. Okay, so this is a page for the registration. I'm going to click on edit page. Okay, so we have a row here called all league info, and here comes the description of it. And just below this row we have another row here that shows image with text, few elements like the image with text button and the register now button as well. So if you want to add more of your events here, or like the leagues here, league details, just simply duplicate the existing row here like this, and if you want to add one, you can just keep the one and delete rest of it like this. Preview the web page. Okay, we need to give some spacing here. You simply click on add and write a space here, empty space, and click on preview changes. Perfect. Okay, now we need to update the image and the title of it. Okay, so you can always replace the image from this section and title from this section. And here comes the button. Okay, suppose you have just replaced the image and the title, and there comes the register now option. Okay, so you can see we have a URL here. That URL is actually coming from the product section. So the league option is actually the product option. So I'm going to show you how it's working. So all you need to do is simply first create a new league section from just right on this page, like we have a new league here, okay, like this, and go to products option then. Okay, so we are going to just duplicate any of the existing product. Okay, we have 3 leagues here, like 3 games, and I'm going to duplicate this one. Okay, so we have duplicate XYZ duplicate. Come on. Okay, and here comes the pricing of your league or the game, and here comes the product image. So you can remove the existing product image and upload a new one. Just simply select product image, upload the file from the PC and from media library, and so once you're done from here, click on publish. Like I'm gonna publish it. I'll do it later, but for now I'm just gonna publish it. Okay, so our new league has been published, or we have just created a new product for our new league. So I'm gonna go to all product section again. Okay, so you can see we have as we did not upload any image here, so it just doesn't show any image here. So we have a new league name that we have just copied from here, or you can just keep the same name on here and there as well. So we have the pricing of it, okay, and the title, and that's it. So all you need to do is simply copy this ID from here, and in this new league button, all you need to do is simply click on edit and replace this ID here. That's it, and click on save changes and hit update, and that ID and that league page will be updated and will be working like the user can add that, can check out the league, or they can simply buy it. So I believe now you can easily handle this page and product section as well. So, and rest of the website elements. So that is it. We have covered the header, pages elements, and the product section as well, and very good. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.